We are the typical automation supplier for companies where there are parts to be loaded and unloaded from machines where the parts are worked on. My name is Lars Weiss and I'm responsible for sales, 3D print and automation. We are a supplier for automotive suppliers, medical industries and suppliers in general for mechanical working. Outstanding technological innovations like the 3D printer has a large impact on our processing chain. We can now produce parts faster, cheaper, in the same quality. And we're now printing 70% of our needs by ourselves. Former prototypes are now final parts for final products. 3D printing will have a major impact in all industries in the next few years. The Multi-Jet Fusion is highly sustainable. We can use nearly all of our material for the next print. We are printing any part you can imagine. I can recommend the Multi-Jet Fusion to every company because it makes the processes simply easier.